Namaskar, class 12th commerce. Welcome to accountancy class. Issue of debenture chapter is in progress. One or two topic left of this chapter. Today we are going to attempt the topic interest on debenture. For this, illustration number 24. Name of the sum is X Limited issued 5,000 12% debenture of 100 each ऑन 1 अप्रैल 2010 1 अप्रैल 2010 को कंपनी ने 5,000 डिवेंचर इशू किए हैं. इंटरेस्ट ऑन दीज डिवेंचर इज पेड हाफ ईयरली. इंटरेस्ट इज पेड हाफ ईयरली, दैट इज ऑन 31st September and 31st March every year. Pass entry for the year ended 31st March 2012. Some is asking to pass entry for 1 year only. And which year? Issued on 1st April 2010, and we have to pass entry for the year ended on 31st March 2011. With the new point, assuming that income tax deducted at the source is 20%. Income tax deducted at source is 20%. So we will do it, sir. Let us start our sum. 1st April 2010, we are issuing debenture. Normal entries: bank account debit to 12% debenture application and allotment account. We have 5,000 debenture of 100 each, so it becomes 5 lakh. Being debenture issued at par on the same date, 12% debenture application and allotment account debit to 12% debenture, 5 lakh rupees. Now we will be passing interest entry on 30th September 2010. First half yearly interest. Can you tell me on debenture who will pay interest to whom? I think company will pay to debenture holder. What is the rate of interest? This 12% is the rate of interest. When company will pay this rate of interest to debenture holder, what is it for company? Is it income or expense? I think expense. That's why interest on debenture account debit. First we will pass due entry to debenture holder account. To debenture holder, amount is due to debenture holder. Debentures are of 5 lakh rupees into 12%. Total interest becomes 60,000 rupees for full year. And we are passing entry for first 6 months because interest is paid half yearly. So it means how much interest company is supposed to pay now? 30,000 rupees. Now this line will apply over here. Income tax deducted at source is 20%. For company, interest is expenditure, but for debenture holder it is income. Debenture holder के लिए income है. So this is the rule of income tax authority. कि if you are paying some income to somebody, deduct tax from that. आप उसको इनकम देने से पहले आप उस टैक्स को डिडक्ट कर लीजिए. तो कंपनी विल बी डिडक्टिंग 20% टैक्स ऑफ दिस 30,000 रुपीज. दैट्स व्हाई टू इनकम टैक्स 6,000 रुपीज. 30,000 into 20%. It means debenture holder will be getting how much interest? 24,000 rupees. This is expense for the business. This is liability, debenture amount to be paid to debenture holder, and income tax. Why I credited? Because it is also liability. This income tax company has collected from debenture holder on behalf of government. Later on, this income tax will be paid to government. Now next entry, let us pay interest and tax, both things. Debenture holder account debit, income tax account debit to bank account. 24,000 interest, 6,000 tax. Total amount to be paid is 30,000 rupees. Interest due and interest and tax paid. Now we are going to pass entry on which date? 31st March 2011. Again another due interest for 6 months. The same entry, sir. Interest on debenture account debit to debenture holder to income tax. Again Interest for remaining 6 months also is 30,000. 20% tax becomes 6,000. And how much to be paid, sir? 24,000. And on same date, 31st March 2011, we will pay interest, debenture holder account debit. We will pay income tax also. Income tax account debit to bank account. 24,000 K is interest, 6,000 is income tax. Total amount to be paid is 30,000. Now in this way we have passed our half yearly entry. Now if you see this interest of 30,000 for 6 months and another interest for 30,000 for 6 months, total interest becomes 6,000, which is expense for the business. At the end of the year, it is to be transferred to statement of profit and loss debit to interest on debenture. To interest on debenture, 60,000 rupees at the end of the year. 30,000 रुपये का इनकम टैक्स 30 सितंबर को पेड किया है, 30,000 का 31 मार्च को. Total interest becomes 60, which is expense for the business. At the end of the year, this 60,000 we are going to transfer to statement of profit and loss. So this was a small topic, interest on debenture. Now next point, next topic, very important topic, issue of debenture from redemption point of view. Issue of debenture from redemption point of view. Issue of debenture. Issue of debenture from redemption point of view. डिवेंचर को इशू करेंगे किसको ध्यान में रखते हुए? रिडम्पशन को ध्यान में रखते हुए. If you remember, when I taught this chapter, I told well in advance that when debentures are issued, company has to declare whether these debentures are redeemable or irredeemable or convertible, whatever it is. Number one. Number two, I told you what will be the rate of interest. Number three, after how many years these debentures will be redeemed. And number four, when these debentures will be redeemed, these debentures will be redeemed at par or at premium. जब इन डिबेंचर्स का भुगतान किया जाएगा तो एट प्रीमियम करेंगे या एट पार करेंगे. तो ये सारी बातें इशू के समय कंसीडर की जाती हैं. कौन कौन सी बातें आई टोल्ड यू सर? नंबर वन, टाइप्स ऑफ डिबेंचर, आपका कौन सा डिबेंचर इशू है वो भी शुरू में बताया जाएगा. रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट क्या होगा वो भी शुरू में बताया जाएगा. और इन डिबेंचर को कितने साल बाद रिडीम करेंगे वो भी बताया जाएगा. एंड these debentures are to be redeemed at par or at discount. All these things are to be told well in advance. So there are different 5 or 6 topics we will be discussing now. The first case is issue at par, issue at par and redemption also at par. Redemption also at par. डिबेंचरों को इशू भी पार पे किया जाए और उनको रिडीम भी पार पे किया जाए. So first let us pass issue entry. Let us pass issue entry. Suppose company is issuing 1,000 debenture of 100 each to be redeemed after 5 year at par. कंपनी ने कितने डिबेंचर इशू किए हैं? 1,000 of 100 each to be redeemed after 5 year. 5 साल बाद रिडीम करेगी कंपनी इनको, एट पार पे करेगी. So let us pass our entry, sir. Issue entry, bank account debit. Suppose these are 10% debenture. So 10% debenture application and allotment account debit. 1,000 debenture into 100, sir. It becomes 1 lakh rupees. 10% debenture application and allotment account debit to 10% debenture 1 lakh. Same entry, मैंने कोई नया चीज नहीं किया है. I told this entry, these entries in the beginning of the chapter, the same entry I am passing, issue at par. Now we will pass redemption entry after 5 years when we are to be redeemed these debentures. So we are redeeming these debentures at par. Here I credited these debentures because it was my liability. ये हमारी liability थी इसलिए मैंने इनको credit किया था. आज मैं इनको redeem कर रहा हूँ. I am redeeming these debentures. I am repaying these debentures back. So my liability will be over. So entry will be 10% debenture account debit to, first we will pass due entry. to debenture holder account 1 lakh 1 lakh. This is due entry, being debenture holder due, debentures amount due, and in next entry we will pay this amount debenture holder account debit to bank account 1 lakh 1 lakh. In this way we will be passing entry. This is issue entry and this is redemption entry. So this is the first case, issue at par, redemption also at par. Now we will do the second case, issue at premium. Issue at premium but redemption at par. Issue premium पे कर रहे हैं और redemption par पे. Let us do this topic same sum. 1000 10% debenture of 100 each issued at 10% premium but to be redeemed at par after 5 years. To be redeemed at par after 5 years. So let us issue, sir, how many debentures? 1000, 10% of 100 each at 10% premium. So sir, our first entry will as it is bank account debit to debenture application. So 1000 into 110, 1.1 lakh, 1 lakh 10,000 rupees, 1 lakh 10,000 rupees. Next entry, 10% debenture application allotment account debit to 10% debenture to security premium. To security premium. So same 1 lakh 10,000 in debit, to debenture 1 lakh and 10,000 rupees is premium. I think I did not make any new change. ये डिवेंचर इशू प्रीमियम पे किए हैं तो मैंने प्रीमियम पे एंट्री पास कर दी. एंड दीज डिवेंचर्स आर टू बी रिडीम एट par. तो our entry will remain same. Debenture account debit to debenture holder to bank. Now can you tell me, will we pay 1 lakh 10,000 or will we pay 1 lakh? हम 1 लाख 10,000 पेड करेंगे या 1 लाख? I think 1 lakh. Because premium was our profit at the time of issue. It has nothing to do with redemption. जो प्रीमियम हमें इशू के समय मिला है उसका रिडम्पशन के लिए कुछ भी नहीं करना है. आई थिंक टॉपिक इज क्लियर. तो दिस वाज अनदर टॉपिक, इशू एट प्रीमियम बट रिडम्पशन एट par. थर्ड केस सर, इशू एट डिस्काउंट बट रिडम्पशन एट par. इशू किस पे की हमने? डिस्काउंट पे. रिडम्पशन पे पार करना, रिडम्पशन पार पे करना है. लेट अस डू द सेम सम विद अ स्मॉल चेंज. 1000 10% debentures of 100 each issued at 10% discount but to be redeemed at par after 5 years. So let us pass our first entry, sir. Bank account debit to debenture application. 100 रुपए वाला डिबेंचर हमने 90 में इशू किया है तो 1000 into 90, तो सर it become 90,000 rupees. 90,000 rupees. I think no doubt. Next entry, 10% debenture application and allotment account debit, discount on debenture account debit to 10% debenture. Total debenture are 1 lakh. Application credited with 90,000, same will be debited and 10,000 rupees is discount. So this is issue at discount and redemption at par. So I think redemption at par entry will remain same. Debenture account debit to debenture holder to back 1 lakh. जबकि हमें 90,000 रुपए मिले थे इशू के समय, लेकिन हमें रिडम्पशन कितना करना पड़ेगा? 1 लाख रुपीस करना पड़ेगा. तो these were 3 different topic: issue at par, payment at premium; issue at premium, payment at par; number 3, issue at discount, payment at par. Now two another more important topics will be now. Issue at par, we will do in next topic.